this summer.
99, all road leads to Carib, New York. Carib, New York is the #1 entertainment spot, and there is where the music never stops. On Sunday, June 6th at 10 p.m., Cool and Lovely Production presents a hairstyling competition with a difference. See the top beauty salons of the Bronx compete for a trophy, along with cash prizes. Music by Tippertone Sounds. Admission $20 in advance, $25 at the door. There will be a raffle on the floor, a gift for the best dressed female. Remember, beauty starts from the top. Your hair, your face, your smile. So hit the road, Jack. Find that place, Carib, New York, 435 North Avenue, New Rochelle, New York. Yes, fun people. Sunday, June 6th. Doors open at 9 p.m. Showtime, 10 p.m. Your host for the night is Dynamite Johnny. Yours truly. All due respect to Plata's Jamaican restaurants on East Chester Road. You gotta be there, good looking.